Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock the Kuromi Headphones in Heartopia Sanrio Characters Event. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to unlock the Kuromi items, you need to go to this menu and go to the Sanrio Characters Vehicle Collection. Then you're going to select the chocolate lava. And you need to have this exhibition pass to draw. And I got this Kuromi headphones from here. If you're lucky, you will get this special treasure, guys, the chocolate lava vehicle, or you can also get the other items. Okay, make sure that you have enough exhibition pass to draw. If you want to get exhibition pass for free, you can go to this event menu and select this discovery. Then you're going to claim the rewards. You'll get 120 exhibition pass. Then you can use it to get the Kuromi set from this event. Okay guys, and that's how you can unlock the Kuromi headphones in Heartopia X Sanrio Characters Event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.